Welcome back, Aligayle Journeys family. Today we're in the peaceful countryside of Surrey, which I've had several videos on, and we're exploring a place called Whitley Common. It is just a stone's throw away from Godalming. If you're looking for peace, tranquility, fresh air, and a really beautiful woodland escape, you're definitely in the right place. As we step onto the trail, you're immediately greeted by just the soothing sounds of nature. You can hear the birds. You can hear that. My footstep. That was my phone ringing as well. Tall trees just stretch overhead, filtering the sunlight and casting dancing shadows across the earth. You can see those shadows there. This is the kind of place where time seem to have slowed down, or slowed down. Is it? Where time slows down, and every breath feels lighter and lighter and lighter. As you can see, Witley Common isn't just a walking path, or it's not just about walking. It's perfect for picnic. You can see a place for people to sit, or a quiet moment on a bench with a book. Families come here to unwind, and it's easy to see why. There's space to roam, relax, and reconnect with nature. So far, you can see the tranquility and the peace. I've gone to several nature reserves similar to this one. One other thing I'd like to say, I'm not saying it's different, but there's this calm and this peace and just the open space just give the impression that you're on your own, but you're not on your own. And just the constant, beautiful, just buzzing of birds and tweeting. You can hear it's almost like there's a chorus of birds singing in the background. And by the way, all what you're hearing is nothing artificially done. It's literally the natural sound. Everything that you hear is literally within this space. Look at those trees. Look at that. Look at that. And here, what I was hoping to do is to create this view where you would see the sky and the treetop kind of swirling. You can see the sun popping out through the trees, the branches of the tree. You can see that blue sky in the background. Beautiful. Look at the space now. So much space. And just that beautiful, very beautiful. I would recommend that you come here, especially with your friend. Look at more benches as well. I'll talk a little bit about this. And as you can see, those like little play area. So, and if you have got little ones, there is a natural play area, as you can see, just off the path, built from rustic wood and blending beautifully with the landscape. You can see all of that. Look at that gentleman walk. Look at the bench there. It's fun, as you can see. Children would love this. It's safe. I haven't seen any dog off in the lead running around. And it keeps the little adventurers or little children engaged while you parents soak in the peace. And by the way, it's not just for children. Even this play area, I can easily see, you know, any family. Yeah, any family for children coming here and taking part in whatever activities, play, cricket, maybe. Beautiful. Look at that rustic kind of shed that's built. Most schools can't even see any, and I think that was good. You know, it feels very much a part of the very natural setting of Witley Common Nature Park. You know what? I think what makes Whitley Common so special is how unspoiled and grounded it feels. Like I was saying earlier, you look at this structure, it feels very integrated, like a part of the very natural making. It's built around the tree. You could see the root of the tree early on, and you don't feel like there's a lot of artificial or, you know, parts or, I don't know, components from outside coming in. Everything in the structure you're looking at, the ceiling, the sides, they're all built from the very product or waste from that very nature reserve, which is beautiful. And what you'll see when you're on the inside, the back is turned, was the inside, and I was pointing the camera out. So then you're going to see me walking. What I'm doing is going back while the camera is just kind of taking the image of me coming out, so you can see the entrance, or the entry from the perspective of me back. In fact, I'll just move back. Yeah, so it's very, very beautiful. Now, sometimes that unspoiled, grounded feeling, that's what I believe that we need sometimes. If you're ever near Godalming, please add this to your list. Really enjoy this. And thank you for watching so far. If you haven't subscribed yet, I would suggest you do kindly ask you. I would appreciate that. For our current subscribers, thank you for your patience and the long delay in me getting these videos out. Well, you have been amazing. Thank you so much for your support. And please like and share as well to continue to build this channel. Yeah, so this is Witley Common near Godalming in Surrey, and I think you'll definitely enjoy here. Give it a try. There's parking, so you shouldn't have any real issue parking here. By the way, just before I go, this bit here, I just decided to walk on it. I wasn't sure it was safe. I was thinking, what if, you know, one of these poles or posts is actually rotten? What would happen to me? Well, then I thought, no, if it's built for children, children should be safe. But I stepped on every single post, and not one acted, not one shook. There was no shaking. They were all firm, so it seemed as if it can take the weight even of an adult like me, weighing almost 100 and possibly probably 80 to 90 pounds, almost 200 pounds. So I think it is safe for almost any size. Just be careful of slipping. As you can see, That one was pretty low. I was thinking, wow, when I stepped down, what if I slip? But I think if you make sure the shoes you're wearing has enough grip. Did you see me right there? I was stepping on, I was actually shaking, just making sure that it was firm enough for me to walk. So what I did, I'm going to be going all the way around. And yeah, so it's beautiful. Very lovely place to live. Very lovely place to live. We come to the end of this journey in Whitley Common Nature Reserve. I want to thank you for joining me on this short but of course refreshing journey through Witley Common. Don't forget to like, as I've said to you earlier. Please share, and I'd love for you to subscribe. Thank you so much. If you enjoy discovering these hidden gems, subscribe, please. If you enjoy discovering these hidden gems with me, please subscribe. Until next time, so good. Have a blessed day, night, evening, whatever the time you're watching this. And please keep exploring your wonder. Please exploring the journeys that I take. And I'm going to try my best to bring you interesting content as much as possible that, you know, I can make you. So thank you very much.